white laundry done, but I still need to do my color. Peach is having a playtime with her whale squeaky doll. After that, I'm thinking about to clean the floors. Is that so annoying? If you haven't watched Broadchurch on Netflix, and if you like mystery crime cheesy shows, this one has 3 seasons, so I recommend it. About my outfit today. These shorts are from 12B. It's a Monday tee, but I'm wearing it today. Even though it's Thursday, who cares? My top is from Beach Dolls. The top is a little see-through, the shorts aren't. It's very lightweight, so if you just wear like a bandeau like I'm doing here, I feel like it's fine. It's casual wear, so who cares? I'm wearing an extra small on top and extra small on the bottom. Very light, very breezy, super cute. We are successfully done folding everything. I'm gonna put these hangers away. Just had a couple extra. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is start, I'm not sure yet. I've been meaning to do this for a while. I have this whole gallon of bleach and I have an empty bottle to transfer it to so that you don't have to lug this Costco size each time you want to use it, to minimize spillage and also just for convenience. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's get to it. Welcome to my bathroom. I have this empty bottle from Necessaire. For those of you who have never tried this before, I highly recommend it. It has vitamins for your skin, nourishes, balances, deep cleanses your skin. Anyways, this video is not about Necessaire, but big shout out to them. So I'm done with this bottle. There's a little opening at the end there. So I thought that it would be easy transferring bleach from this Costco size bottle to this small one. Very self-explanatory. I don't think there's anything harmful to transfer bleach into a different bottle, but don't quote me on that. I'm just recording my day since, yeah, quarantine. Maybe I will do some research now that I'm talking about it. Maybe it isn't good. Anyways, we'll just leave it at that. This is something that I've been doing for years. This gallon, put it in this container. It is the most convenient thing ever. I'm gonna just do that real quick, do the rest of the laundry, and then I'm gonna go on a bike ride with I feel really refreshed. I am on a mission to deep clean my floors. Unloaded the dishwasher. Now I'm gonna do the dishes and afterward get everything off the floor, and then we will use the mop system for the first time. Getting excited for something like that. That's when you know you're just getting older and you're in quarantine and you're excited to clean and mop the floor.
Watch me cause I'll do what I do, and if you're trying to play me, ain't nobody playing for you. And if you wanna change me,
I got this cleaning system. Ooh, nice. It comes with a bucket. This is a little pedal to wring out your mop. This is an extendable one. Let's try attaching it. This thing. Okay. And then we have the mop head. Ooh, attach to this, I'm assuming. Wow. It just snaps in. Okay, cool. Some other things that I picked up. Bona. It's good for stone tile, laminate tile. Got another pack just in case for backup. Let's do this.
you can't run with a smile on my face when dreams trump reality. Fuck what they're telling me. I can't take word from no one. I can't be who you are. And if you wanna change me, watch me cause I'll do what I do. And if you're trying to play me, ain't nobody playing for you.
Okay, so I did the mopping one time through the house. Well, I kind of regret not showing you the dirty water that came out of the first round. We're gonna do the second round. I put more of the Bona floor cleaner in there. One more time. Let's do it.